Hello everyone, I am Matsuyoshi. Today I am repot this block pine to this spot to prepare to make a mini bonsai next year. Okay, I'm always using this slit pot because in this pot the tree will have more roots than the training pot. So I strongly recommend this pot for you too. Okay, let's roll it. First I have to take off all the sands again. These sands are only for growing a seedling, so if you repot sands, you have to take all of them and put the tree to a new soil. Mixture soil with akadama and kiryu sands in Japan. Right? Taking off the old sands. Like this. Oh, sorry again. I forgot to put the camera down. Okay, now you can see it. I'm taking those old sands without camera. Okay, now you can see this. This is a black pine seedling, and this one is a Senjumaru seedling. Senjumaru is a special species of black pine and leaves very short, and you will have many buds and it becomes short too. So this is very good to make a mini bonsai. Very special species. Okay, this place you can see wound. This one was a black pine seedling and cut it off, and this one is a Senjumaru. So I am going to cut this part first like this and make it smoother, hoping to heal these wounds first. Make it smooth, this part like this. Okay, can you see? Then watch here, you can see a very thick root right here. This root, very thick, because there's a straight and going inside the down, and it grows very fast and becomes thicker. And if you leave it, this tree can go into a smaller pot when you make a mini bonsai. So you have to take this root first. Okay, I take it off. There's only small roots, but in this pot, in a year later, this tree will have a lot of roots, so don't worry. They cut the root again to make it short, to make it more beautiful, because it's going everywhere. So okay, and I told you I am going to make a mini bonsai, so I have to make it smaller than this one. So this is the main trunk, and this is main trunk too right now, very thick, and there's a branch here, here, and here. There was 4 branches in the very bottom place, and now I'm going to take thickest, most thick main trunk right here. Right here, can you see? Right here. Do you know? Okay, I take it off. Now it becomes like this. I want to use this one as the main trunk. It's going thick and a bit thinner than this. It's a good shape. And I want to make this one as a first branch, So this one and this one, these two branches I don't use it, so I cut it too. Got it. Can you imagine the shape in the future? This is the first branch, and will be a second branch right here in the future, like this. And I think I will cut this part again in 6 months ago, 6 months later, I guess. But now I leave it to make it grow and make thicker. Okay, let's repot. I'm using a mixture of Akadamatsuchi and Kiryu sand. You can buy it in Japan, but if you don't find it in your country, maybe you can use a moisture salt and use a hard drainage sand. I think you can find it something. Okay, it's okay. There is only a few roots right now, so it's not stable, but if you water it, it will be more stable later. So it's okay. That's it. After this, you go outside and water well. And first time you water, very brown water will going down from here, because inside this soil, new soil, there's many dusts, and only the very first time you can clean it off. So you water very well and do that until the brown water becomes a clean one. Then the repotting is finished. And after 6 months, maybe 3 months or 4 months, and maybe June or July, I guess, I will cut these buds again and make a new bird, and after that I will wire it and make a mini bonsai. So thank you for watching. I think I will show you in that time, I guess. So thank you for watching today, and if you like it, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.